Modern AI operates behind closed doors. You feed a model your data, and it spits out an answer. But the math happening in the middle is completely hidden. You cannot verify how the system actually reached its conclusion. This chart shows what happens when a network attempts to bring that hidden math into the light. Following a push to fix this exact problem on the blockchain, the market reacted with a sudden, explosive 100% price surge over a single 24-hour window. The project driving that price action is OpenGradient, or OPG. It is a decentralized Layer 1 network designed specifically to handle AI inference, meaning it processes the live execution of AI models directly on-chain. That specific utility attracted $9.5 million in funding from institutional players, securing backing from both A16Z Crypto and Coinbase Ventures. The price action signals that the market is treating OpenGradient as a potential bridge between AI and the blockchain, a move toward providing mathematical proof for models that have, until now, remained opaque. But putting AI on a blockchain introduces a technical bottleneck. The strict cryptographic security required by Web3 often limits the processing speed necessary to actually run complex AI models. OpenGradient addresses this bottleneck with a system called the Hybrid AI Compute Architecture. As you can see in this schematic, it splits the workload into two distinct pillars: Web 2 speed and Web 3 security. To maintain raw speed, the network pushes the heavy computational lifting off-chain. It routes the data to external GPU nodes and trusted execution environments, isolated areas within a processor designed for secure execution. Once those external nodes finish crunching the data, network validators generate a cryptographic proof of the work and lock that verification back onto the main blockchain. By separating the heavy lifting from the security checks, the architecture aims to remove the need for blind trust. Decentralized applications and autonomous agents can then use AI outputs while verifying exactly how the data was handled. To understand the actual valuation of the OPG token, we have to look past the technical architecture and examine the numbers driving the market. Right now, OpenGradient is holding a market capitalization of roughly $290 million, supported by daily trading volume exceeding $45 million. But this pie chart reveals a supply disparity. Out of 1 billion total tokens, only 19% are currently circulating in the open market. The remaining supply is locked in vesting schedules. Upon release, millions of new tokens will flood the active market. There is no system in place to remove tokens from circulation to offset that supply inflation. Despite the unlock schedule, investor confidence is currently tied to the network's execution. The security guarantees provided by the TEE nodes and consensus proofs provide a level of verification that many institutional investors require. The dynamic presents a trade-off. While the technology offers a framework for security, the tokenomics mean retail investors must weigh the risk of future dilution against current market momentum. Beyond the internal math, the project's growth depends on how easily the market can access the token compared to its competition. Liquidity is currently flowing through spots like Bybit MEXC and the PancakeSwap exchange. Additionally, the recent integration with the Binance wallet during the token generation event has helped drive community interest. OpenGradient is frequently compared to Bittensor. This matrix illustrates their differences. On the left, Bittensor connects various AI models to trade machine intelligence across a wide marketplace. On the right, OpenGradient provides a verifiable AI inference pipeline, proving computations are correct. OpenGradient functions as a specialized verification layer, providing the specific cryptographic gates that decentralized applications need to execute AI tasks with verifiable results. Checking the current price action helps define the immediate trading risks and potential opportunities. This chart shows OPG trading in the 28 to 29 cent range, holding gains from its recent surge, though below the previous high near 47 cents. For momentum watchers, the volatility channel is defined by a 35-cent support level and a 45-cent resistance target. The bull case rests on the project's utility, the high-profile venture capital backing, and the current momentum within the AI sector. The bearish case is grounded in the supply schedule. Investors face a series of token unlocks that will increase the circulating supply, all while the project competes in a crowded market for AI-focused tokens. Ultimately, OPG is a high-risk, high-reward play that requires monitoring network adoption and token releases. As always, this is an analysis, not financial advice. Do your own research and only invest what you are prepared to lose.